Hi guys, so I'm doing some quick testing here of the ViLi i100. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through the process. Let's see if I can record the uh, screen here. Screen record start. Start. Okay. So yeah, so I'm in my survey master here. I am connected to the receiver, which is blinking green, as you guys can see, which means that I'm fixed. So now I'm gonna press on the point cloud and let's see what this does. It's asking for the name. I'm just gonna put a dash test here. Sorry for the shaking, but I have only two hands apparently. And I'm gonna hit the record button. Walk around the pile, face the pile while scanning for full coverage. Okay, we're gonna hit next. Stay within 30 meters, avoid sky and water for valid results. Okay, makes sense. And avoid moving object for a clean scan and accurate volumes. Accept. So please move to an open area, shake in place, etc. So I'm gonna turn off this camera so I can walk around, and then I'll jump back on once we export and import it into software. Okay, so it's asking us to walk around a little bit, and shake the receiver. It took few seconds to get this done, to walk like back and forth for a few seconds. Yeah, sorry guys, I didn't have the lock for my rotation of the screen turned on. So yeah, so once you do that, it automatically starts scanning there, and as you can see, it gives you this viewport of probably almost like 180 degree. That little dot in the middle there, that's that playhouse I was trying to scan just for the testing purposes. And yeah, you can see as I walk around, I turn the receiver towards the play structure, and it took literally about a minute to walk around, and I'm almost done there. Then I'm gonna try to rotate it and see how good it is. As you can see, the circle is about that 40-meter reach, so which is pretty good. I mean, yeah, there we go. That's the structure there, as you can kind of see. Also, now I'm gonna stop the point cloud and I'm gonna run into the issue. It's gonna give me that download was not possible. So I'll attack this one in the next few seconds. Yeah, so it gave me the download fail, so I wasn't able to load the file into the tablet itself for this instance. I'm not sure where I went wrong. I'll be testing that here soon again. However, once I connected the receiver to the computer, it just acted as a disk, and I was able to download the LAS file, which basically all I need. So I'm gonna drag it and drop it into the business center and see. And let's take a look what we can master up here. So here is the point cloud. I'm gonna go into 3D view, obviously, and kind of rotate it and see if I can identify that structure. Yeah, I believe we can change the size of the point cloud, right? Like, I mean, you guys can see, like, I had the point really, turned on. So yeah, so for this, like, two quick scan here, let's see what we can see from the point cloud. So yeah, let's go here. It scanned about 250,000 points, right? 241. As you can see, it did a whole bunch of stuff. So this would be that trampoline. This would be that net. Pretty dense. I mean, for the
purpose of the volume itself, yeah, that would be definitely something we can do. Hopefully this helped you out. This quick test of the ViLi i100, and yeah, stay tuned for more coming shortly.